When the internet went dark, the world froze. Snapchat, Fortnite, banks, even McDonald's orders, offline all at once. Amazon Web Services, the invisible landlord of the web, stumbled, revealing the fragile empire powering our lives. One question now looms: how safe is a world run through a single server farm? It started quietly, just after midnight in America. Then suddenly, millions of users around the world found themselves locked out. Snapchat stopped loading. Fortnite froze mid-game. Even Duolingo's persistent owl couldn't get through. By morning, the problem was impossible to ignore. The culprit wasn't a cyber attack or a natural disaster. Amazon Web Services, the invisible backbone of the modern internet, was failing. The company confirmed on its service status page that it was experiencing significant error rates for requests to one of its endpoints, specifically in the US East 1 region located in Northern Virginia. Amazon stated in its official update,
engineers were immediately engaged and are actively working on both mitigating the issue and fully understanding the root cause.
But more than 90 minutes into the crisis, the company admitted it still didn't know what was wrong. The scale of the disruption was staggering. Down Detector, a website that tracks service complaints, lit up red across its entire dashboard. Reports flooded in from every corner of the globe. Over 500 companies have reported issues. Snapchat alone registered over 5,000 user complaints within the first hour. Roblox, Wordle, Canva, Ring doorbells, the UK tax authority HMRC, even McDonald's ordering systems, all down, all at once. Amazon Web Services provides cloud infrastructure to millions of companies worldwide. It made $108 billion last year and now accounts for the majority of Amazon's total profits. When AWS stumbles, entire sectors of the economy stumble with it. Banks including Halifax, Lloyds and Bank of Scotland reported problems. Cryptocurrency platform Coinbase told its users on social media,
We're aware many users are currently unable to access Coinbase due to an AWS outage. Our team is working on the issue and will provide updates here. All funds are safe.
Even artificial intelligence companies weren't immune. Aravind Srinivas, chief executive of the AI startup Perplexity, acknowledged the problem directly.
The root cause is an AWS issue. We're working on resolving it.
What exactly is Amazon Web Services, and why does it have this much power over our digital lives? Think of it as the largest landlord on the internet, one you've probably never heard of despite using its properties every day. AWS officially launched in 2006, but in less than 20 years, it has become the most popular provider of cloud services in the world. It competes with Microsoft Azure and Google Cloud, but it remains the undisputed leader. The business model is straightforward. Companies rent computers, servers and storage from Amazon instead of building their own data centers. For businesses, this means access to massive computing power without the overhead. For Amazon, it means economies of scale. They build enormous facilities, pack them with servers, and parcel out that computing power as needed. The apps on your phone, the streaming services you watch, the websites you visit, most of them are actually running on machines in Amazon's data centers. This latest outage exposed just how fragile that system can be. The problems originated from a single region, Amazon's US East 1 facility in Northern Virginia. 28 different AWS services were affected, including Amazon DynamoDB and Amazon Elastic Computer Cloud, two fundamental building blocks that companies depend on to store data and run their operations. A problem in one place radiated outward, bringing down services that seemingly had nothing to do with each other. A language learning app and a cryptocurrency exchange, a children's game and a government tax portal, all connected by invisible threads running through the same server farm. The incident raises uncomfortable questions about concentration and dependency. We've built a digital economy where a single point of failure can cascade across continents and industries. Amazon hasn't said when normal service will fully resume, and the company is still investigating what caused the failure in the first place.